Welcome. In this short lesson, we will write a clean, reusable C# routine that removes all vowels from a string. This is a very common text processing task, useful for toy compression exercises, simple obfuscation, preprocessing for token-based tasks, or just as a neat string manipulation trick to demonstrate regex and string handling in C#. I'll show a compact method using regular expressions, demonstrated with a few example inputs, and keep the core logic isolated so it's easy to test and reuse. Let's jump right in. We'll treat vowels as the standard English vowels. In both cases, the function will remove these characters entirely, not replace them with spaces. So outputs are compacted. If you later want to preserve spacing or treat y as a vowel in the same context, you can adjust easily. For now, simple vowel removal keeps the solution small and easy to explain. Here's a full runnable C# program. Main demonstrates three inputs and prints before and after. The helper remove vowels does the work. It first guards against null empty input, which is good defensive coding, then uses regex replace with the pattern lowercase aeiou will also with its uppercase variant to find any vowel and replace it with an empty string. The comments explain the edge case's behavior. This keeps the function reusable and easy to unit test. Mechanically, this is simple. The regex is a character class of vowels. The replace call deletes each vowel match. The method then returns a clean string. If you later need Unicode vowels, such as accented vowels, we would swap the pattern for a Unicode class like /pl, combined with a more precise filter. But for plain ASCII English vowels, this pattern is fast and readable. Let's walk through the sample results. For Python, only O is removed, leaving its output. For C#, there's an A in the sharp, and that is removed, but the space stays. JavaScript loses its vowels, A, and I, producing its output. This, this predictable behavior makes the function easy to validate and with unit tests. A tiny utility like this shows up in teaching, such as regex plus C# basics, in small ETL steps, or even as a tiny CLI tool for text experiments. Because the function is compact and testable, you can drop it into larger projects or use it as an exercise in unit testing or performance tuning. To sum up, a one-line regex replacement gives us a robust vowel removal helper. It's readable, easy to test, and adapts neatly into variations such as Unicode support, different replacement rules. Try adding unit tests for edge cases, empty strings, all vowel inputs, null input, to ensure behavior is rock solid. Thanks, and happy coding! Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like and subscribe for more C# tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.